Hi all, welcome to this week's project. I've got a couple of ring cores here. When I was asking about cores, there was Metal Clays and Metal Clays for You, I think, sell them. I bought these ones from, I think it was Metal Clays for You, because they were just a tad cheaper. So I've got two here, just any random sizes, nothing specific. I'm trying to get a seat here and the cat is stealing the seat behind me. Hold on. Well, you've got to move over a bit. Lils, I need to sit down. Well, I have to sit perched on the end. Right, so anyway, what I'm going to do today, I've got some sand here, just coloured sand. I have no idea if this is going to work. I'm basically going to be pouring it onto here and trying to super glue it into place until I can get it up and above that rim. And then I'm going to go to the lathe and we're going to turn it and we're going to see if it turns out or not. So I had the two and I was trying to figure out which one would be better with blue or with red, because I've got red here. So I think I might do the small one and do it with red. The big one I'm thinking of doing for another project which I might film today as well. So we'll do this one first to see if it works. It may well not work, and well, that's just the way it goes sometimes. So yeah, I shall get cracking. I was just thinking of maybe pouring a bit onto there like that. I did a bit of super glue on and building it up. Okay, so that's it. Obviously it's way above the band and it looks like I'm going to have to do quite a lot of cleaning there, but it's just a learning process. If I don't try it, I'm not going to know if it works. Right, so we're going to leave that to dry and then we'll go to the lathe and we'll see how we get on with cleaning it up. Okay, that's us in the shed now. We've got this little sand ring on the lathe. I have no idea how this is going to go. I've already made the first mistake because the sand came over the edges and trying to clear it off I've scratched the edge of the band. I've no idea how I'm going to figure that one out, but anyway, I'm just going to continue on with it. So what I'm going to do now is very slowly, I think, just see if I can get this top coat off, and we'll see what we end up with then.
Can't believe I'm losing ground. If that's the truth, more than I knew, I was all up in you.
Okay, I think I've got the shape there. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to see if I can sand it a bit. I'll start at 180, I think.
I just could find the words to say. You're on my mind. Why can't you stay? If that's the truth, more than I knew, I was all up in you. If I just could turn back the time, and we could go back to what we left behind. And baby, I would do whatever for you. Listen, I would tell you.
Now what I think I might do is give it a coat with a CA glue, I think. need to go into the house and get my glue. I'll be back. Right, let me turn it right down here. Like I say, this is just really is all experimental. Right, that's dry now. I'm going to go quite lightly with micro mesh, and I'm not going to stay on for long, so it's going to be quite quick.
Somehow I'm still alive. Yeah, I survived. If that's the truth, more than I knew, I was so up being you.
Okay, that's us back. So this is the ring. Look, it's not very tidy at the ends, and I've even got stuff in the centre there. So I'm going to have to work at getting all of that out. I might be able to get that out with some hand polish or something. Oh, can't see there. Sorry. Yeah, so there it is there. So I'm going to try polishing it up a little bit, I think. See if we get anywhere.
If I just could turn back that time, and we could go back to what we left behind. And baby, I would do whatever for you. Listen, I would tell you what we could do. No, I couldn't walk on the moon, but I'm standing where you left me. No, I couldn't walk on the moon, but I'm standing where you left me. I turn around from what we found. I can't believe I'm losing ground.
Okay, that's the ring up until now, and the top's come up lovely. I'm really pleased with that, but the band is still a bit of a disaster. It did take it down a little bit, but it's certainly not perfect. So what I'm going to do is I did hear that using the white one from the Beal set should take stainless steel up, and I know stainless steel is very different from this one, which is brass, but I'm going to try using that one on it now, just to see.
I'm standing where you left
I tried using those mops to clean it up a bit, but it didn't work. A lesson to self anyway, not to try sanding it. But anyway, that bit's come up lovely. I'm just going to put the final polish on that one now, and that will be it done. And we'll have a better look at it later on inside, I think, just purely because the light's so poor in here. Okay, so that's the sand ring. I'm actually really pleased with how it came out, but obviously I wrecked the rim. I'm sure there's probably a way I could clean that up. I did get most of it off. I'm sure there probably is a way that I can clean that up, so I'm just going to set this aside just now until I get some cleaner and maybe use that and then rebuff it up. But quite like it. It's quite a nice ring. It feels very comfortable on your hand. Excuse the state of my hands, I'm just in from the shed. So yeah, so that was it, and that was just using this sand, and I think it came from, I mean, it's nowhere near the colour it was, is it? Yeah, Lily, we're filming. I hope you can still see. So yeah, it was nowhere near the colour it was, but then, you know, I didn't really, Lily, out the way. I didn't really expect the colour to be the same, to be honest, but I was actually quite pleased with the colour. It was just something I just wanted to try. I'd seen somebody else do it and using sand in a different type of project, and I just thought, oh, I just want to try that. So very pleased. It's not the most perfect curve I've got on this ring, but the CA finished it really well. It's lovely and smooth. There's no bumps or anything in it. So yeah, coloured sand might be the way forward. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed this. If you did, give me that thumbs up. If you didn't, give me the thumbs down. And any comments, please leave them below. And thank you very much for watching.